Hello world and welcome to Mount Pleasant, North Carolina. Today's quest brings us over to Mount Pleasant, North Carolina to eat at the Mount Pleasant Smokehouse. So I'm kind of pumped up. I love me some barbecue, and small town barbecue tastes better, if you know what I mean. And I'm a huge fan of North Carolina barbecue, so I've never eaten here. Let's go in here and see if it lives up to the expectations I've seen on Google ratings. Next to another staple in North Carolina, Whataburger. Check out that mural down there. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, this place looks legit, no lie. Take a look at this place. Here's the menu if you all want to come in and check it out. You can hit the pause button, read it a little bit better. And here's the back. They have a lot of cool things here, but I think I'm gonna go with like the standard pork plate. Comes with one protein, two sides, and hush puppies, roll, bun, or Texas toast. Sounds pretty good to me. And I mean, like, I don't want to go to a barbecue place and get like a hamburger, right? You gotta try the barbecue first. I honestly may have hit the lottery with this place, let me tell you. Smells good, looks good, everybody's meals coming out, looks sick, man. I'm gonna totally chow down on some barbecue here. It is game time. Look at that. Oh yeah. So let me run through what I've got with you. Got the regular barbecue, because I gotta try that, right? Got the fried corn, that looks good, and some Brunswick Stew. And all this was about, I think it was like $12.50 or $13 or something. But let's chow down. Oh, and by the way, that is Sweet Baby Ray's. That is their house barbecue sauce. And this is spicy barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna give all three a try. First up, Sweet Baby Ray's. Now I've had this before, so I'm not gonna be like shocked by the taste or anything, but let's pull a little dab on there and give it a try. It looks so moist. There's like good texture to it. Here we go. I love it. Real tender. About one of the most tender barbecues I think I've ever had. Most tender pulled pork. My mouth is watering while I'm trying to chew it and talk at the same time. It's so good. Let's give their house sauce a try, because I don't want to stop at Sweet Baby Ray's. I've got that in my fridge at home. A little more runny. Oh yeah. That's vinegar based for sure. Very strong vinegar taste to that. And lastly, the spicy barbecue sauce. Cheers. That's my favorite right there. Has so much flavor in it. Super spicy. Got a little bit of barbecue in there. This is good food. Really good food. Let's try the other sides and see how they are. Looks good, don't it? Brunswick Stew. Really good, but you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to put that hot sauce in this. It tastes very fresh. I like the corn in it. My potatoes, a little bit of pulled pork. Looks good, and it tastes good. Let's give the old corn a run. What do you say? Oh my God. All of this has been amazing, but that corn is the best corn I have ever had in my entire life. Outside is super crunchy, inside's really juicy. They've got some sort of seasoning on this. Oh my gosh, I will come back for that corn alone, much less the rest of the stuff. That is it. Can you tell that I liked it? I destroyed that meal. And that's going to wrap things up here in Mount Pleasant, North Carolina at Mount Pleasant Smokehouse. Really good food. The entire meal was good, but let me tell you, I'd almost fight somebody over that fried corn. I would specifically come back here for the corn. And I'm also going to say too, I think that every bit of the meal was better with that spicy barbecue sauce. It wasn't even that spicy. It just had a really good flavor to it. Oh, that was loud. Dude was waving at me going by. But yeah, it was really good. I loved it. That sauce was great, and I'll definitely be back. So with that being said, y'all, thanks for watching and thanks for playing. Bye, world.